Yeah, but okay. I don't know. Sometimes it's loud.
So do you think it's time now for the
yes,
flood machine?
Yeah.
The burning.
Yeah.
The
burning ritual.
We need to do the burning, I feel.
I think
We need to turn the darkness into light.
Yes.
So I need some help for this.
Okay.
So who's going to be the wok bearer, Gennaro? No, it's the light machine.
The light machine.
The light
That's
machine.
the light machine.
That's the light machine.
I know.
No, we can have the light
bringer
machine.
of light, whatever people may say.
And then
remember that.
and then I need a few lightettes.
I'll be a lightette.
So a lightette.
What do you think? Should I think the extinction?
Yes,
I think you should
so.
machine. What do you think? He's going to ceremonially open the flood machine. Has everybody flooded themselves first?
Yes.
Good. Let's do this then. Oh look,
Just
some remnants of the flood.
You may still be inside.
Let's go.
It's underneath.
I think we can do some. Yes. There we have the first instalment.
Oh my God.
So we need to get out into the ceremonial light field. No.
Well, we'll put it up.
Do this outside, and that's what we want to sing.
We'll put something up there. Something appropriate.
Okay. Is the door shut?
Ruben!
We're coming through to the ceremonial light field. Thank you. Right, I think we're going outside. I think in the middle here. So we want some people up this end, down low. Right, so we're now going to light. Because the more of us that light, the more power there is to. Oh God, that's my hand getting covered in melted wax.
Oh dear!
Ow.
You are
Right.
Are we all ready?
Wait. Sit together. Thank you.
Right, so now we're going to turn all the darkness into lights. And may all those dark thoughts disappear. Oh, can you see all the lightness? And we need some more darkness. Right, here we go. We're going to gather all the... It's attacking! All the darkness. It's attacking all the darkness. Goodbye, good darkness. Ah!
Goodbye.
It smells a lot better
Never
now.
to see you again.
But that's tomorrow's job.